my channel. If you don't know, my name is Nikki and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I decided to do an anti-Valentine's Day look. This look was inspired heavily by LINABUGZ. She is iconic. She is so adorable, so unique. She deserves way more subscribers, way more followers. I'm gonna pull her up for you really quick. So you guys should all follow her. She is gorgeous. I love her style. She's just so freaking cute. I don't know how she does not have any more followers. I'm gonna put her links in the description box below. I am gonna do a normal Valentine's look, like date night with bae type of look. That'll be up in a few days, but for now, if you are interested in this look or you're bored, whatever, then please keep on watching. So I already did my brows and primed my lids using my Tarte Shape Tape. Now I'm taking my Jaclyn Hill palette, and what am I doing? Just take any brown and use that as your transition shade. Now I'm taking this turquoise shade and I'm gonna rub that all over my crease and kind of into my lid, but not all the way. Now I'm taking that dark green color and I'm just using it to smoke out the outer corners of my eyes. Now I'm taking this shimmery shade on my pinky finger and putting that all over the inner corner and going back in with that dark green and smoking out my eyelids. Now I'm cleaning my brush because I like to use the same brush for everything. I'm taking this purple ColourPop single shadow. Have no idea what it's called. I didn't like that one, so I went in with a warmer purple that I have from ColourPop, and I don't know what that one is called either. Now I'm taking that deep purple, it's like a purpley black shade, and I'm using that to smoke out the outer corners of my eyes. I have no idea what palette this is. I guess it's a Sephora brand palette, but I'm taking that purpley shade and using that all over the inner corners of my eyes. I honestly think that palette is like 7 years old. I have no idea. Now going back in with that deep purple shade and I'm just smoking out my eyelids. Now I'm telling you that I'm going to finish my face makeup and be right back. But now I'm going into my lower lash line, and what am I doing? I have no idea. But I'm using the deep green, the dark green shade to smoke out my lower lash line. And also taking the shimmery shade and putting that on the inner corners. Cleaning my brush again. I'm going into that purple shade, putting that all over my lower lash line. Taking the deep purple and smoking out my lower lash line. And I also go back in with that purple shimmer and put it on my inner corners as well. Now I'm taking this pink single shadow. I think it's a Smashbox shadow. I'm not completely sure, but it's just a pink single shadow. And I'm putting that all over my inner corners as if it were a highlight. Using the same color, I'm gonna put blush all over my cheeks and make it dramatic AF. Also putting that on my nose and blending it towards my cheeks as well. Now I'm taking my Anastasia Glow Kit in the shade Moonstone, and I'm just highlighting everywhere I would normally. This highlight is so ridiculously blinding. I've never used this shade alone. I always use it with the shade Summer. But yeah, this was just bam. This highlights a metaphor for how blind my ex was when he was with me. I'm just kidding. Now I'm taking my Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Outlaw. And this is, I'm using a brush from Michaels, it's a paintbrush. And I'm just putting the word hate you, the words hate you on my cheeks. Now I'm just creating a heart. This heart was surprisingly easy to draw, but the other side I had such a difficult time. Even writing out the word bye was so hard for me. I don't know why. Y'all, this heart came out so bad. It seriously was getting on my nerves when I was taking pictures. I was like, I should have only done one side and left this cheek empty because I just hated this heart. Taking my Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick and putting that on my lips. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but it's the shade Outlaw. Now taking my NYX Epic Ink liner and I'm just lining my, I guess where my lash line is. I'm honestly just trying to hide the glue. And here I am trying to be cute. Okay guys, so I quickly went and kind of fixed up my hair a little bit, and that is it for the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys really liked this look. If you did, please like this video down below and also subscribe to my channel. It'll mean so much to me. Also check out LINABUGZ in the description box below. I can't say enough good things about her. I just found her and I'm just in love with her. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. My dog is trying to fight me over here. Jesus.